All your possibilities are from your consciousness. Your consciousness is the source of all your possibilities. Your mind is the source of all your probabilities. Understand? All your possibilities are from your consciousness. Your consciousness is the source of all your possibilities. Your mind is the source of all your probabilities. Probability means it can go this way or that way. Possibility means it can go only the way you want. Choosing and choices are always mediocre value. Listen carefully. Choosing and choices are always mediocre value. The modern day civilization, teaches the choices are freedom. I tell you how when a child cries for mother, the child is diverted or cheated through a toy or toffee by the person who is babysitting. See, when child is crying for mother, the babysitter, he will try to divert the child's attention, console or cheat the child by giving a toffee or toy. Toffee or toy is the poor substitute for mother's hug or mother's presence. Same way, probability is the too cheap, poor substance for possibility. Possibility is your mother. Probability is the toy or toffee. Don't fall for it. Choices or freedom is the cheap, mediocre idea. Conscious possibilities are freedom. Your ability to manifest anything you want out of your consciousness is freedom. Take intense decisions to break everything which comes on the way. Ferociously, like Kalabhairava. My absolute love for you, sincere love for you, is the reason I am revealing this technology to all of you. Listen carefully. First thing, understand. The first powerful cognition. Probabilities are mediocre way of existing. Choices or freedom is the mediocre way of cognition. Understand, middle class, middle-aged, middle expanded, mediocre life. Let me repeat. Middle class, middle-aged, middle expanded. That fat belly. Mediocre life. Cognizing choices are freedom. Cognizing probabilities are life is the worst slavery. Most stupid, cheap, mediocre existence. Just understand this one example. You have dice. I told you all to get dice if you have dice in your home. See, when you roll the dice, the numbers which can happen, it can be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 6 or 12 probabilities. Living with the probabilities is the mediocre life. Possibility means you decide which number the dice should show and you manifest that number. That is possibility. Listen carefully. Actually, possibility is more than which number it should fall. You can even ask the dice to stand the way you want, or the fly the way you want, or change the dice the way you want. That is possibility, not even just number. That is possibility. Anything you can imagine or visualize, if you are able to just print, like 3D printing out of your consciousness and pull it out. That is what I call science of manifestation, and it is possible for you, each one of you. If you are just able to hear what I am talking and think, and even if you feel, oh, that is not for me, whether you accept what I am saying or don't accept what I am saying, if you are able to hear what I am saying and understand the English Oxford Dictionary meaning of what I am saying, I tell you, it is possible for you. Human consciousness is mirror of my own consciousness. Human consciousness is extension of Paramashiva's consciousness. Listen carefully. Listen intensely. Maya, delusion, modern civilization, modern day unconscious society, modern day unconscious collective humanity constantly tries to make you live the mediocre life that probabilities are life. Choices are freedom. Hey, see, all probabilities are from mind. It is just between the knowns. Whatever you know, among the knowns, even if you get the best, you may grow. But if you start manifesting the possibilities from consciousness, you will have a breakthrough. Human beings who are growing are mediocre people. Human beings who give breakthrough to themselves and to others are the leaders. In any field, give breakthrough to yourself and to the world and to the others whom you are leading, people around you. So listen, take intense decisions. Take intense decisions. Behave ferociously with yourself. I tell you, one of the greatest lesson I learned in my life is choices are not freedom. Ability to manifest what you want is freedom. If you think the variety of food, choices of food, Italian pizza or French fries or pasta or idli, dosa, the variety of food, choices are freedom, you are mediocre. If you know you can 3D print your body without any need of any food from external source, not only you can 3D print your body as you want from your consciousness, you can keep it excited, joyful, without any input from outside. This is possibility. Possibilities are freedom. Understand? I tell you, even 1 or 2 possibilities you start manifesting, you will see, oh God, how big is this life? What a blessing this life is. You will become so life positive. I tell you, first truth you need to know, probability even if you get the best probable happening in your life among the good, okay, bad, or worst, or great, or best, all these probabilities. We can start from this side. Worst, okay, good, better, best. All these are probabilities. Even if you get the bestest, you will only have growth. Possibility of your consciousness will give you breakthrough. There's a difference between growth and breakthrough. For example, the tallest building you have seen in your life is 20 feet tall. And if you plan to build 50 feet tall building, it's a growth. But the tallest building you have seen in your life is only 20 feet. But you straight plan and manifest 2,000 feet tall building. That's a breakthrough. Growth is always the language of mediocre mind. Breakthrough is the lifestyle of leaders. Your brain when it looks down, it looks at the probabilities. Bad, okay, good. If this happens, it will be bad for my life. If this happens, okay for my life. If this happens, good for my life. If this happens, great for my life. If this happens, best for my life. If this happens, bestest for my life. All these probabilities can give only growth to you. But you just visualize what do you want, your possibility, and 3D print it out of your consciousness and pull it out, manifest it. That is the real royal life. That gives you the breakthrough. I tell you, if your consciousness through your brain looking down, you will see only probabilities. If your consciousness using your brain looks up, you will see possibilities. Two eyes are probabilities, third eye is the possibility. Anyone who treats themselves very cutely and who feels a delusion is very cute, or juju, life is very cute. Live and die mediocre life. Behave like Maha Kala Bhairava with yourself. Be ferocious with yourself. Take strong decisions. Take intense decisions. Take actions in your life. You will see the possibilities are just printed out of your consciousness and manifested in your life. I tell you, every truth I am teaching, not only I will give you words, I will give you power, Shakti Pada, for you to manifest that possibility. Listen one by one. First, drop the cheap, mediocre cognition. Probabilities are life. Our choices are the freedom. No. That's the first thing. See, in all probabilities, your mind is the source. For all probability, your mind is the source. How much a mind can take you? Mind cannot take you beyond the fourth dimension of Kala, time. Within this four dimension only, mind can play. Length, breadth, depth, time. That's all. So all probabilities can give you only growth, but your possibilities can give you breakthrough. Conscious possibilities can give you breakthrough. Next, understand. I'll give you one small incident. I still remember very vividly. I asked for a small Ganapati deity. When my grandfather takes me to temple every day, I used to see shop where they sell all the Ganeshas. One day, I asked my grandfather, and he will never say no. By that time, actually he was taking me to temple. I asked him to get me the Ganapati deity for me to play. And I don't know whether he did not bring the cash with him or what is the reason. He said, let's go to temple. I'll get it for you. By that time, maybe he told my father, and my father came and got the deity. When we were in the temple itself, we brought and gave it. And they both gave the deity to me, and I was so happy and enjoying. Then they took me inside the temple. We saw they do Ganapati Puja and all. Then I told that I will also do puja like this. I will also keep Abhishekam and give bath. Those days, that word Abhishekam and all I may not know. That like giving bath, and I will also feed him. I will also brush his teeth. And I started getting excited and all that, and started suddenly I had a doubt. I asked my grandfather, now I am giving food to this Ganapati, but who will give food to all the Ganapati in the shop? See, in the shop they had more than few hundred deities. He laughed and said, only when you start doing puja, it becomes Ganapati. Till then, it is just a statue. Ganapati enters only when you start doing puja. I asked him, when exactly Ganapati enters? He did not give a big explanation. He said, hey, do you remember the day when we took you to the temple, we kept this Ganapati with the main Ganapati of the temple. Actually, they took this small deity and gave it to the priest, Shivacharya. He kept it at the feet of that main temple Ganapati, Sambandha Ganapati, in Tiruvannamalai temple. He kept it near that Ganapati, and he did the puja in the temple, and he gave that small Ganapati deity as a prasadam to me from that big Ganapati deity. So my grandfather narrated the whole incident, and he said, do you remember when they touched your Ganapati with main Ganapati? That is the time the main Ganapati's life entered into your Ganapati. So now your Ganapati is also alive. Start doing puja. And he will now accept your puja. He will eat the food you give. He will accept the bathing you give, all that. Listen, that just clicked into my system. Chit. He exists in this deity. He is. Isness, tatata, is the foundation for conscious possibility manifesting. Isness, tatata, isness, tatata, is the foundation for the consciousness to manifest its possibilities. After a few days, I even had some doubts. How do I know this is the way Ganapati exists? He looks too small. Then I decided, you see, some form he exists. That much I know. Whatever form you exist, O Ganapati, I am worshipping you through this. That is the conclusion I came to. So that isness, tatata, has become so vast in me, on which I can burn all my self-doubts, self-hatred and self-denial. The fire is become larger than the items I can dump on it. So the fire won the game. The fire of possibility, easiness, was more powerful than the dumping, dampening, self-doubts, self-hatred, self-denial. In all your life, in every one of your consciousness, the self-doubt, self-denial, self-hatred makes you lose the possibility of your consciousness. You start settling down with a mediocre life. You start settling down for the mediocre lifestyle, just playing with probabilities. Stop it. Don't stoop to that level. Stop it. To all my disciples, I give the first and foremost command. This is the first commandment. Thou shalt know the possibility of consciousness and manifest all the possibilities of consciousness. Thou shalt not settle down to the mediocre life of playing within the probabilities. I tell you, all probability either can go bad or at the most can go best. Probabilities cannot give breakthrough. Listen. It is possible when you decide conscious 3D printing is possible. It is too easy for you to come to the decision and conclusion, because even if you see one or two miracles me performing, actually what I perform is not a miracle. It's just I am doing conscious 3D printing. When you see one or two, you just know you can also do it. That's all. That's all.